The CYBERPOWERPC Gamer Xtreme is a remarkable mid-level gaming PC that has a handsome-looking case which houses strong hardware to ensure that you can play dozens of games while having a stable FPS. So let's get straight to the point and reveal what else you can expect from this PC. In terms of design, this particular model comes with an elegant aluminium case, followed by a tempered glass sides and doors which will provide easy access and a view of the internal components, a black theme that stretches across the front and airflow inlets, and accented with signature lights so you can see as a whole this looks brilliant. Additionally, when you view from the front, there's a trio of concentric red lights, while on the top you can find two USB 3.0 ports, a reset button, power button and a microphone and headphone jack, while around the back there's an Ethernet port, two USB 2.0 ports, four USB 3.1 Type A ports and audio ports. For your information, there's an HDMI and DisplayPort on the graphics card as well, so you can connect to external displays without any problem. And so far, I have no remarks. Hardware-wise, this particular model is equipped with an Intel i5-8400 processor, has a hard drive of 1TB, 8GB of DDR4 RAM, and an AMD RX 580 graphics card of 4GB. So, as you can see, these specs are fantastic because aside from gaming, you can use it for professional purposes as well, including video editing, photo editing, and more. Moreover, gamers who have already purchased this PC claim that this model is simply ideal for 1440p gaming, and the frame rates are stable as well. But when we also add the VR capabilities that are offered by this PC, without a doubt, I can say you won't feel restricted in terms of use. Overall, I strongly recommend you consider the Gamer Xtreme PC, especially if you're looking for a reliable, multi-purpose gaming PC that looks really good and performs even better, without having to spend thousands of dollars.